Pour some alcohol into your sprayer. This keeps your windows from freezing and helps rain roll off much faster. Then clean the glass with a magic sponge. Its unique texture reaches even the tiniest imperfections. The result is a crystal clear, smooth surface that looks freshly polished. These are the 3 biggest habits that damage your car when driving with a manual transmission. Check if you're making any of them. First, resting your hand on the gear lever while driving. It causes imprecision when shifting gears and leads to premature wear of the gearbox mechanism. It's much better to keep both hands on the steering wheel to maintain full control of the car. The second mistake is resting your foot on the clutch pedal. This habit can interfere with the clutch's proper operation, causing excessive friction, overheating, and faster wear. Always keep your left foot next to the pedal and press the clutch only when shifting gears. Third, many drivers hold the clutch on hills or in traffic jams, thinking it's easier. In reality, it causes constant friction between the clutch disc and the pressure plate, drastically shortening clutch life. It's much better to put the car in neutral, pull the handbrake, and wait for the green light. This way, you rest and take care of your car at the same time. Change your habits and enjoy smooth driving every day. A young mom showed me this trick. It makes traveling easier for everyone. Start by completely removing the headrest from your car seat. Car headrests are designed for easy removal. Next, take a Ziploc bag and place it sideways where the headrest rods go into the seat, with the opening on the side. Use a pen to poke holes in the bag where the rods will go through. Make 3 rows of holes. Now, reinsert the headrest into its original position. Simply slide your phone into the bag through the side opening, and you have an instant hands-free screen holder. This simple hack allows you or your passengers to watch movies, shows, or cartoons comfortably in a horizontal position. In just a few minutes, you'll have a practical and budget-friendly phone holder, no extra purchases or tools needed, easy, cheap, and functional. The bottle trick is a method used by thieves. Be cautious if you see a bottle wedged under the car's body near a wheel. Such incidents are on the rise, and thieves are becoming more inventive. The bottle trick is just one of their many techniques to steal a car. All they need is an empty drink bottle. They don't even require your keys. If you notice a bottle stuck near the wheel, stay alert and be careful. It's a scam. Thieves use this trick to gain access to your car without keys. They count on you not noticing the bottle. That's all they need to get into your car and rob you, or even drive off with the vehicle. Thieves are clever enough to place the bottle near the passenger side wheel. If you're traveling alone, you rarely approach your car from that side. This increases the chance that you won't spot it. Once you're unaware of the situation or the danger, you'll unlock the car, get in, start the engine, and drive off. As you begin to move, the bottle wedged between the body and the tire will cause a strange noise. At that moment, you'll likely stop and get out to investigate. This is exactly what the thieves are waiting for. You probably won't turn off the engine or take your bag or other belongings with you. While you're checking the source of the noise on the other side of the car, the thieves will simply get in and drive away. In the best-case scenario, they'll only grab your personal belongings, taking advantage of the fact that you left the door open. In either case, it's a distressing experience. Stay vigilant and warn your friends about this bottle trick used by thieves. If you notice a coin placed behind your car door handle, it's a bad sign. You need to know what it means. Thieves are constantly coming up with new ways to steal. Sometimes, they're after what's inside your car. Other times, they want to steal the car itself. Automatically locked doors with a remote shouldn't open. So when you park somewhere, you just click the key and walk away, thinking the car is locked. But this doesn't stop thieves. Even in broad daylight, they don't need to break in. The coin trick is enough for them. Criminals place a coin in the handle to block the door. This simple trick keeps the door with the coin from locking, exactly what the thief wants. Most often, thieves put the coin in the passenger door handle. If you drive alone, you probably won't check that side of the car. This doesn't apply to all cars. so it's wise to check if the coin trick prevents your doors from locking. It could save you from major trouble. Spray your car window with this mixture, and it will defrost without scraping. This simple mix will save you time and frustration, and it costs just a few bucks. Cold mornings can be unpleasant, and scraping ice off your windows can take a while. Instead of buying expensive deicer, you can make your own. Most of the ingredients are already in your home. You'll never have to scrape windows before driving again. In a container, pour 30 milliliters of salicylic alcohol. It has properties that dissolve ice. Next, add 30 milliliters of vinegar. Then, measure 15 milliliters of dishwashing liquid. It has surfactant properties that reduce surface tension, helping the mixture work better. Finally, pour in 400 milliliters of warm water. You can use lukewarm water, but hot water will speed up the ice melting process. Mix everything together, transfer it to a spray bottle, and screw on the lid. Let me know the lowest temperature in your city this year. Spray your windows with this deicer, and within seconds, you'll see the ice start to melt. The ingredients ensure the mixture won't freeze on your windows. No more scraper needed, just spray and leave it. This trick will save you time and won't hurt your wallet. You can use a toilet brush to thoroughly clean the inside of your car. Sounds strange, but it really works. When I go to the car wash, I always take it with me. You just need to modify it for this trick. Take a clean toilet brush and use a saw to shorten the handle to about 10 centimeters. Attach the shortened brush to a drill. Its handle should fit perfectly into the drill's chuck. Now take this tool to your car. Just turn it on and apply it to dirty, dusty mats. The drill's power pushes the dirt out better than vacuum cleaners. You can literally see the dust bounce off the fabric. Just brush over the mats a few times at an angle. The dust that comes out is easy to clean. Moreover, the brush will also clean the crevices under and beside the seats, removing even large pebbles and debris. Making this brush cost me only 3 zloty, and my car mats haven't been this clean in ages. Cut the sanitary pad with scissors. This trick will save you a lot of money. The first product you need is a sanitary pad. Start by partially unwrapping it. Then, take your favorite perfume. All you have to do now is spray it with the perfume. Wait a moment. Then, cut the pad into smaller pieces. Stick these pieces in different places in your car. This will help the beautiful scent last longer in your car. Stick them in visible spots for a stronger fragrance, or hide them in the glove compartment for a more subtle scent. This quick and easy trick will make your car smell like your favorite perfume for a long time.